Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I want to show you guys a new model by MBS. I'm curious if you guys are interested in having me bring in this model. This is called the Strong. It's very contemporary, very beautiful. It looks a lot kind of like the Italy model, if anyone was familiar with that. We stopped importing that a few years back. Now this model is going to be available in stainless steel, which is shown. It's also available in a cream or a red color. Now here in Europe, these are going to be zero clearance panels. So they have the air holes on the top, which means you're going to get a nice convection flow off of the unit. In North America, because we have different testing standards, technically if this model's not UL listed, you're supposed to have a 24-inch clearance minimum if you're having any type of inspection. So keep that in mind as you're looking at owner's manuals and information. Also, this model would not be UL or ULC listed for North America, so that could affect your homeowner's insurance, wet inspection, or any type of building inspection. Be sure to check with those people to make sure there's no issues there. So I'm curious, what do you guys think about the looks of this stove? Is it something you're interested in? Would you like me to import it? Drop a note in the comments. I do check the comments. So I really appreciate all of your guys' tips that you give me and advice and information on colors, what you like and what you don't. It really helps me plan for purchasing and picking the correct colors so you guys have what you want when it's time to buy a stove. If you guys like my videos, if you enjoy seeing it, don't forget, quick little thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching.